In your shoulder health journey, hanging has to be a part of that. Now, depending on how much pain you have, especially coming up overhead, because one of the most common injuries that most people have is some sort of impingement where we're getting pinchy pain reaching up overhead. So obviously us hanging into that is not going to be a good place to start. But we can start with some traction with our TRX and then approximate to that. But we do want to get to the point where we can start hanging. Now, we might start with the stool under our feet and start with like 10%, then maybe 20, and build into that tolerance so that your body can feel that approximation and that reduction of space up top, but then slowly start to let it go. Ideally, we want to be able to get to a spot and talk about one of the easiest ways to improve your overhead mobility is to just use your body weight to create a plumb line so that I can sink into that, right? We don't want to be here engaged. We want to just do a full dead hang. Obviously, starting with the box or something before can be helpful, but we want to work up into where we can have full body weight, just pulling into those shoulders, stretching, opening this up. Now, eventually you can see how I'm kind of opening up from the chest and the belly here. What we want to be able to do is keep those ribs down, maybe even do a slight pelvic tuck so that we're not getting a lot of this range of motion from extension. I can get better, pure, just full overhead range of motion through the weight of my body pulling.